So if I'll be looking for other airdrop that can do well whenever they is launched, you have to check this video. So I'm going to be doing a video for this particular airdrop, which is called Bloom. The reason why I'm actually doing this video is not because they are sponsored, but they have tendency of, listing the airdrop at a very good price. So you have to start jumping on the Bloom right now and start mining it. So the step to actually go about you mining Bloom is to the first thing you have to do is to actually come to Play Store, because that's where you are to going to get your you are going to come to Play Store. The first thing you have to do is to actually sign up for you are going to search for something like Telegram. So that is the first thing you have to do. So you have to search for Telegram. You install your Telegram account. So as you can see, I've already installed my Telegram. So you open it, then you register with your email or any of your information to be able to get access to this particular Boom airdrop. So as you can see, for you to actually get to Boom, I'm going to drop the link to Boom inside the video description if you want to actually join and start mining it right now. It's not too late. It's going to be listing very soon, so you can actually jump on it and start mining it. So after you have gotten the link, you are going to click on the boat. So as you can see, this is the boat. So whenever you land on this page, you are going to see something like this, and it's going to automatically added your name. So it's going to tell you, hey, probably your name. This is Boom. Go to app crypto mining trading. So the next thing you have to do is to launch this app, launch this Boom, and start playing. So you're going to click on launch over here, and it's going to give you an interface to start playing and start accumulating some points, which is going to be converted to airdrop. So as you can see, I'm in day 11. So because I just started this account recently, and the good thing about this platform is, we are not really doing much. You are just playing a game to actually earn a Boom point. So I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, so you as a complete beginner, you're not going to have like this 16,000 Bloom points. So you have to come to this tax auction. You are going to click on tax. So there are a lot of tasks you can actually do to earn more points on Bloom. So the first thing you have to do is to join that Discord group, and they are going to give you 19 points. If you follow them on X, they are going to give you 19 points. You can follow the Boom CEO, and they are going to give you 90 points. So if you actually follow them on YouTube, they are going to get 90 points. Likewise on X, on X, then you can actually follow them on Instagram, subscribe to their Bloom Telegram group. So I already complete all those tasks. So there are a lot of tasks you can actually complete, so you can farm them, and you can be farming and getting the coins. So as you can see, those are the tasks you have to complete. So by completing those tasks, you are going to get more blue points. And one important thing is, if you can actually invite others, your point might actually increase. So right now that let's assume that you have done all this stuff. So I'm going to be doing this: join Binance and get paid very soon, and join OKS and get paid. So I'm going to be doing this anytime soon. So let's assume that you have done all these tasks, which is going to accumulate your Boom points. So let me go back to home. So as you can see, on a daily basis, whenever you log in, they are going to give you some Boom points every day you log in. So the one important thing is to click on this claim. You have to click on claim a Bloom point. So you are going to click on it, and it's going to be mining automatically. So as you can see, the mining has completed. You can start farming, and this particular Bloom point is going to be mining. As you can see, you have to wait for like 7 hours. After 7 hours, you have to come back to it and claim your point. So as you can see, my point has increased to 17,000 Bloom points. So one important thing you have to do is to actually invite others. If you have someone you want to invite, you can actually invite, click on invite, then copy your link, send it to that person you want to actually invite. Because according to Boom, you are supposed to invite at least 10 people to this platform to be able to qualify for that airdrop. So I assume that you are actually done that. So let's start to play today's game. So because this is one of the important thing about this game is very, very interesting. So you actually need to play it. So for you to I have a drop game which is about 7 tickets. I have 7 tickets. So if you actually invite more people, you will get more tickets. So you have to click on play over here to actually start playing the game. So if you are liking this video so far, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels so that I'll be giving you some latest update about crypto mining and other things. So you are going to click on this particular blue. So whenever you click on it, your points will be increasing. So mind you, if you actually click on this bump button, your points is going to be bump and you are going to start from 0. So ensure you pick most of these points. So ensure you pick it. So this one is actually a freeze to be able to click up more points. So as you can see, I'm actually playing the game. So I'm going to click on this one, then actually ensure the drop 6, then actually accumulate more points. So it's very, very interesting. Unlike you just playing normal game like all this Candy Crush, you can just be playing this game and be able to make money. You know, as you are playing game, you're also making money. So I'm going to play the next game also. So I'm going to click on it to actually, if you are getting more okay, I'm going to click on this freeze button, then click on more drops. So whenever you are playing, ensure you don't click on this bomb button, because whenever you click on it, your points is going to be reduced and you are not going to have much. You are going to start from 0. So I actually click on it multiple times. So I'm starting from 0. So try to avoid it then, but instead you have to click on this freeze button to make sure that you have more points to be able to play. So if you're liking this video so far, ensure you subscribe, because I will try much as possible to do more video like this about airdrop. I will try much as possible to do video about airdrop that I think is going to cook well on the market. So ensure you subscribe. If you want to actually get to this particular airdrop, I want to drop the link inside the video description. Ensure you use this link to get to Boom, and I will see you winning in every aspect of airdrop. Thanks.